Welcome to Unacademy Ascend YouTube channel. This is Umamaheswara Rao.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
In 2 months crash course on engineering mathematics for GATE 2021, today I will be discussing higher order differential equations with constant coefficients. Higher order differential equation with constant coefficients. The differential equation d power ny by dx power n plus a1 into d power n minus 1y by dx power n minus 1 plus and so on, a n y equal to function of x. Suppose if f of x is 0, then the differential equation is homogeneous linear differential equation. If f of x is non-zero, then the differential equation is non-homogeneous linear differential equation. Non-homogeneous linear differential equation. If it is homogeneous, then general solution is complementary function. If it is non-homogeneous, then general solution is given by complementary function plus particular solution or particular integral. Now, how to write complementary solution for the given equation? With the help of auxiliary equation and roots of auxiliary equation, we can write complementary function. Suppose roots are real and distinct, m1, m2, m3. If roots are m1, m2, m3, then c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x plus c3 e power m3x Now roots are real and equal, m, then c1 plus c2x plus c3x square of e power mx. Roots are imaginary, alpha plus or minus I beta. Then e power alpha x of c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Now, for example, d cube y by dx cube minus 9 into dy by dx equal to 0. Suppose, if you write in operator form, d cube minus 9d of y equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is m cube minus 9m equal to 0, m of m square minus 9 equal to 0, m is equal to 0, m is equal to 3, m equal to minus 3. So here roots are real and distinct. Therefore complementary function is c1 e power 0x plus c2 e power 3x plus c3 e power minus 3x. Continuation, the solution is y is equal to c1 plus c2 e power 3x plus c3 e power minus 3x. Next, now solve the differential equation d square minus 1 by L square of y equal to 0, y of 0 equal to k and y of infinite equal to 0. Now in this case the auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 by L square equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus 1 by L. Therefore the solution is y equal to c1 e power minus x by L, c2 e power x by L. Called it equation 1. Now the first boundary condition is y of 0 equal to k. Y of 0 equal to k means y tends to k when x tends to 0. So k is equal to c1 plus c2. Called it equation 2. Next, y of infinite equal to 0. Y of infinite equal to 0. Y is tending to 0 when x is tending to infinite. So 0 is equal to c1 into e power minus infinite 0 plus c2 into e power infinite. c2 multiplied with e power infinite equal to 0 means any product ab is equal to 0, either a is 0 or b is 0. Here c2 multiplied with e power infinite is 0. Therefore either c2 is 0 or e power infinite is 0. E power infinite is anyhow non-zero. Therefore, compulsory C2 equal to 0. So the conclusion is substitute C2 equal to 0 in equation 2 in the place of C2. Then C1 equal to K. Substituting C2 equal to 0 in equation 2, we get C1 is equal to K. So C1 is K, C2 is 0. Substitute C1, C2 values in equation 1. We get the solution is y is equal to k into e power minus x by L. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Next one. Non-homogeneous linear differential equation. In the case of non-homogeneous linear differential equations, we have different types. First, type 1. Exponential function. Hint: replace d by alpha in function of d. To get particular integral, we have to replace d by alpha in function of d. For example, d square minus 5d plus 6 of y equal to e power 4x. Now, the auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma 3. Therefore, complementary function is c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. Now, the particular integral is given by 1 by d square minus 5d plus 6 e power 4x. Replace d equal to 4. By replacing d equal to 4, we get 1 by 16 minus 5 4 ja 20 plus 6 into e power 4x. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 minus 20 is 2. Therefore, e power 4x by 2. Continuation. The general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x plus e power 4x by 2 continuation. For example, d square minus 6d plus 9 of y equal to e power 3x. In this case, the auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. M minus 3 whole square equal to 0. M is equal to 3 comma 3. Complementary function is C1 plus C2x of e power 3x. Now the particular integral is one by d square minus 6d plus 9 e power 3x. Replace d equal to 3. Case fails. If you replace d equal to 3, denominator is going to become 0. Now x into 1 by differentiation of denominator 2d minus 6 e power 3x. Now replace d equal to 3. If you replace d equal to 3, again case fails. Now continue the same procedure. X square into 1 by differentiation of denominator with respect to d 2 e power 3x. So the particular solution is x square into e power 3x by 2. Now the general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to C1 plus C2x e power 3x plus x square into e power 3x by 2 y is equal to C1 plus C2x into e power 3x plus x square into e power 3x by 2. Next one, type 2. Trigonometric function cos alpha x or sin alpha x, non-homogeneous type 2. Hint: while applying operator method, replace d square by minus of alpha square in function of d. Now d square plus 9 of y equal to sin 2x. In this case, the auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 equal to 0, m equal to plus or minus 3i. Complementary function is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Now the particular integral is one by d square plus 9 sin 2x. Replace d square equal to minus 4. If you replace d square equal to minus 4, you will get 1 by minus 4 plus 9 sin 2x. Sin 2x by 5. The general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. y is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus sin 2x by 5 c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus sin 2x by 5. Next column. D square plus 9 of y equal to cos 3x. In this case, the auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 is 0, m is equal to plus or minus 3i. Complementary function is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. The particular integral is 1 by d square plus 9 cos 3x. Now replace d square equal to minus 9. Case fails. That's why you have to write x into 1 by differentiation of denominator with respect to d, 2d cos 3x, x by 2 into 1 by d of cos 3x, x by 2 multiplied with 1 by d of cos 3x is nothing but integral cos 3x. D means differentiation, 1 by d means integration. Integral cos 3x is sin 3x by 3, that is x sin 3x by 6. General solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore, y is equal to c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x plus x sin 3x by 6. X sin 3x by 6. Next one, type 3. Algebraic function. Whenever particular function is algebraic function, we have to write function of d in the form of binomial expansion. Write function of d in the form of 1 plus t whole inverse or 1 minus t whole inverse. Now, for example, d square minus 3d plus 2 of y equal to x square. D square minus 3d plus 2 of y equal to x square. The auxiliary equation is m square minus 3m m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. That implies m equal to 1 comma 2. Therefore, complementary function is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x. Now, particular integral is 1 by d square minus 3d plus 2 into x square. This can be written as 1 by 1 minus d multiplied with 2 minus d of x square. By taking partial fractions, 1 by 1 minus d minus 1 by 2 minus d of x square. 1 by 1 minus d of x square minus, by taking 2 common, 1 minus d by 2 of x square. Continuation. 1 by 1 minus d can be written as 1 minus d whole inverse of x square minus 1 by 2 of 1 minus d by 2 whole inverse of x square, that is 1 plus d square plus d cube plus and so on of x square minus 1 by 2 of 1 plus d by 2 plus d square by 4 plus d cube by 8 plus and so on of x square. D cube onwards we have to neglect. The reason is differentiation of x square is 2x, d square of x square is 2, d cube of x square is anyhow 0. That's why the higher power terms we have to neglect in this infinite series. Now 1 plus d square of x square minus 1 by 2 of 1 plus d by 2 plus d square by 4 of x square. 1 multiplied with x square is x square, differentiation of x square, d square of x square, differentiation of x square by 2, d square of x square by 4 and so on. Continuation. X square, differentiation of x square is 2x, d square of x square is 2, 1 by 2 of x square, differentiation of x square is 2x by 2, d square of x square is 2 by 4. Continuation. X square minus x square by 2, x square by 2. 2x minus x by 2, 3x by 2, plus 2x minus x by 2, so plus 3x by 2. 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 4. The general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus x square by 2 plus 3x by 2 plus 7 by 4. That is the solution of the differential equation. Next problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus x equal to 0. D square y by dx square equal to minus x. That is d square y equal to minus x. The auxiliary equation is m square equal to 0. M is equal to 0 comma 0. Therefore, the complementary function is c1 plus c2x of e power 0x, that is c1 plus c2x. Now the particular integral is 1 by d square of minus x. 1 by d means integration. 1 by d square means we have to integrate 2 times. So 1 by d of minus x, 1 by d. 1 by d of minus x is integral minus x dx. That is 1 by d of minus x square by 2. 1 by d of minus x square by 2 means we have to integrate minus x square by 2 again with respect to x. Integral minus x square by 2 dx, that is minus 1 by 2 into x cube by 3 minus x cube by 6, that is particular integral. Now the general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to c1 plus c2x minus x cube by 6. c1 plus c2x minus x cube by 6. Next, type 4. E power alpha x into cos beta x or e power alpha x into sin beta x or e power alpha x into x power k form. Now, hint: to find particular integral of e power alpha x into v form, 1 by function of d into e power alpha x into v equal to e power alpha x of 1 by function of d plus alpha into v. 1 by function of d plus alpha into v, where v is nothing but cos beta x or sin beta x or x power k. For example, d square minus 5d plus 6 of y equal to e power 2x into cos x. It is clearly in the form of e power alpha x into cos beta x. Now, the auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma 3. M is equal to 2 comma 3. Therefore, the complementary function is c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. Now, the particular integral is 1 by d square minus 5d plus 6 e power 2x into cos x, that is e power 2x of 1 by d plus 2 whole square minus 5 into d plus 2 plus 6 cos x. Now e power 2x of 1 by d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 5d minus 10 plus 6 into cos x. Continuation. Plus 4 plus 6 10, 10 minus 10 cancel. Now e power 2x of 1 by d square minus d cos x. Now replace d square equal to minus 1. E power 2x of 1 by minus 1 minus d cos x. E power 2x by minus 1 of 1 by 1 plus d cos x. Now we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 1 minus d. Multiply numerator and denominator with 1 minus d. 1 minus d by 1 plus d into 1 minus d of cos x. Continuation. E power 2x by minus 1 of 1 minus d of cos x by 1 minus d square. Now replace d square equal to minus 1. If you replace d square equal to minus 1, you will get e power 2x by minus 1 of 1 minus d of cos x by 1 minus of minus 1, that is e power 2x by minus 2 of cos x minus differentiation of cos x. E power 2x by minus 2 of cos x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, so minus of minus plus sin x. E power 2x by minus 2 of cos x plus sin x. The general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function is c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x minus e power 2x by 2 of cos x plus sin x. Cos x plus sin x. Next column, d square minus 4d plus 4 of y equal to e power 2x x into e power 2x. Here the auxiliary equation is m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. M is equal to 2 comma 2. Roots are real and equal. Therefore, complementary function is c1 plus c2 x of e power 2x. Now, the particular integral is 1 by d square minus 4d plus 4 x into e power 2x, that is e power 2x multiplied with 1 by d plus 2 whole square 4 into d plus 2 plus 4 multiplied with x. E power 2x of 1 by d square plus 4d plus 4 minus 4d minus 8 plus 4 multiplied with x. So here plus 4 plus 4 8 minus 8 cancel, plus 4d minus 4d cancel, that is e power 2x of 1 by d square of x. Now e power 2x into 1 by d into 1 by d of x. Now e power 2x into 1 by d, 1 by d of x is x square by 2. Next, e power 2x into 1 by d of x square by 2 is x cube by 6. E power 2x into x cube by 6. Now, the general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. C1 plus C2x e power 2x plus x cube into e power 2x by 6. Understood?
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now. It's time to
Thank you.